All right, let's see. So, what was that, Abby? We've seen gators here before. It's pretty stinky right here, huh? Did you see lightning? Oh. Did you see? Oh, I saw some birds. There's that bird with the...
fell out.
What?
My sandal fell out.
No, it didn't. Stop lying. Stop telling fibs. Why are you walking right underneath me? What?
Hey, doggy!
What, a dog? What is it?
Hey, dog!
Oh, yes, I see the frog.
Yeah.
You're right. What kind of frog is that? We'll have to see.
Mommy, post it.
Okay, let's see. I guess it's just hanging out there. I don't know. Gator, gator, gator. Is this a gator? No, that's just mud. See, they blend in really good.
That was loose.
What is?
I was just pulling my
Oh, yeah,
hand
it
on.
looks like it's...
Now I was shaking, and then look. No, Mommy, look.
I see. Don't play with it, okay?
I was like, oh my God, I'm not gonna fall down. I was like, oh, she just broke my sandal.
What?
My sandal.
Stop putting your sandals over.
I'm not putting my sandal.
Can you stop bumping into people, please?
No, I was right here.
Okay. Okay. The frog did something? What'd the frog do?
It just moved its head.
Alright, so...
It moved its head a little bit like that way.
Okay, so... We didn't see...
An alligator
gators.
the froggy.
But we did... Where's that?
No, it's right there.
Oh, there it did move a little bit. But we did find this frog.